This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can adjust the shooting parameters on this drone. So at the start, enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. From here, look above the shutter, below the shutter button and tap on this icon here. Now you can change the shooting parameters for photo and video mode separately. So for example, in the photo mode, you can switch between manual and autofocus. You can change the ISO value, manual and auto modes, not focus. And once in manual mode, you can adjust the ISO value, change the shutter speed, and well, that will be more or less it, as I can see. And the same for the video mode, just open the video section there. So once again, let me return to the shooting parameters. And the video mode, you can adjust the video size, the video format, whatever this is, white balance, color, and style. You can also enter this section here and change or access additional shooting parameters, for example, enable the histogram, video captions, and so on and so forth. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.